Welcome back to the Gilbert's Cooking Show. Today we're going to make, what was it called again?
Walnut vinaigrette dressing. Say it.
Walnut vinaigrette dressing.
Close enough.
Ishi! Me. Son. She. Go Kids Cooking Show!
So we're going to put everything in there, but we need to say what everything is. So what is this?
Walnuts.
It's 1/4 cup of walnuts. Put it in.
Just to go in.
Yep. And what is that?
Raisins.
1/4 cup of raisins. And then we have 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Can you say balsamic vinegar?
Balsamic vinegar.
Spell it.
Next, we're going to pull in the thyme. We're going to put in 1 teaspoon. Wait, how much?
1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon. Time to pour it in. Next, what do we need next? Now, garlic. Let's drop that in. Next, we need the water.
How much water is it?
A half.
Half cup.
A half a cup. Now what do we need to do?
Add the lid.
Add the lid in. I'll turn it on.
Add the lid. Make sure it's nice and tight. Here, this has to be slide.
So what's next?
And then we turn that slowly to 10.
This is what it looks like when it's done.
Yep, just want to blend it up till it's smooth and you don't see any chunks.
Yeah.
We're going to take the lid off.
Kind of like that. Kind of like that.
No, that's the mustard. Okay, you're going to take the lid off of here.
Wait, I've got it.
This is the container we're going to put it in.
Now, we might need to make more.
There we go. Make salad dressing for the week.
Yes, all I need to do is twist the lid on.
And we double the recipe all the time, so it's very easy to double. Et voila!
We have made it. Bye! See you in the next video. Go Kids Cooking Show.
How good is it?
It smells like zenly bread.
Like what?
Zenly bread.
Jungly bread?
No. I'm talking about zenly bread.
Okay, is it good?
Yeah.
Can you give me a thumbs up?
Bread is called bread. And zenly bread is called a human.
I have no idea what you're talking about.